just want to show you another fancy feature for on this device. I have a file name that is pretty long. It's I think it's Titan Aero Brackets Fittings 2, something like that. It's for all the extra fluff for the the bracket that holds my Titan Aero. You have like the fan holder, cooling duct, lid for the wire guide and all that stuff. It's in one big file that I redesigned a little bit when I got the palette, so I could take advantage of soluble supports. But when I uploaded that, the name looks like this. I guess it's tit for Titan, and fittings, I guess that we see part of it as, and then the number 2, because I've made some experiments and wanted to not overwrite the old file, so I added 2 to it. The old file had the same screw up, by the way. It was also rendering like this. So, great job. Apparently the testing hasn't included long file names, so I guess it's on par with the testing of the rest of this machine. I'm so impressed by it by now. Okay, bye bye.